Hello, I'm Alex Morin, and welcome to another edition of Promonoise. Today, I have the spiciest promotion idea for you that you are going to love, and it's brought to you by the fine folks at La Tour de Spice, a company that prides itself on enhancing flavor, health, and well-being. Oh my gosh, what more could you ask for? Now, before I really get into this, I want to ask you a question. What is one of the more intimate things you can do as a family? When I ask that question, a lot of people will tell me that it's actually the art of having a meal together. The time to speak to one another, to speak truths, to share love, to share flavors, to share an experience. And that is why adding spice to your promotional ideas is an awesome idea, because you're tying into an experience. So at La Tour de Spice, they actually source spices from all over the world, every single continent. They have many spices that are actually beneficial for your health. One of which I just discovered the other day called ají pancar. It is a Peruvian spice that's a little citrusy, a little bit smoky, and it's used to marinate chicken, beef, or pork. And in addition to that, it's said to actually boost your energy levels. How cool is that, right? So let's get right into a case study. How would you use this promotional spice if you were demonstrating it to a customer? Well, we have one who is one of the world's top car auctioneers. And they decided that they wanted to marry their brand to this notion of adding flavor to your meals. How did they do that? Let me share this idea with you. What they did was, for everybody that came into the car auction, they gave them a spice. Check these out. Now, these spices can be logoed on the vial, they can be logoed on the lid, and as you're seeing over here, they can be logoed full color process on the front and the back of a beautiful sleeve. Well, on the back of this sleeve told a beautiful story about how the car auction company pays attention to detail. It's the little ingredients that make them the world's finest. And they correlated that to spices, adding the flavor, adding the little ingredient that takes your meal to the next level. What a beautiful correlation, isn't it? So when you're looking at trying to come up with a promotional concept, you want to be creative and think about all of the different options that are available to you. In this case, the car auction company used a product from La Tour de Spice, and it's known as fleur de sel. You know what that is? I didn't either. It is the caviar of salts imported directly from France. How awesome is that, right? I love that idea. Now, La Tour de Spice has beautiful minimums. You can start at 75 units. The pricing is spectacular, and they are as good as a creative ad agency. If you need help with the story, if you need help with the creative, these guys are going to put full color process on the front of your sleeve, and they will help you with the story on the back of it. For all of those reasons, I think this is one of the more marvelous promotional product ideas. And if you're looking for more ideas that resonate, you're going to want to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and heck, share this. Share it with your colleagues, share it with your customers, share it with your grandma who loves to cook. In addition to that, check us out at www.promonoise.com. And on behalf of us here at Promonoise, thank you for your time. I can't wait to work with you again in the near future.